Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Hello everybody, BNSF Lover here along with
DPCom1.
Yep, and tonight we are going to unbox our new cameras. We both got Canon Vixias. They're decent high quality camcorders, so both excited to unbox this, so yeah, let's get going.
This is DPCom1 of DPCom1 Productions.
Yep.
Along with
BNSF Lover.
Yep, BNSF Lover. We're about ready to do a double unboxing here.
Yep.
We both got the exact same camera today, and we're ready to go. And we're going to do an upgrade on our channels here with new equipment. So,
Yeah.
I got my razor here. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Okay, shall we start cutting?
Sure.
Bubble wrap out of the way here.
Okay. Move my scanner out of the way. Airbags. A box within a box.
Yeah, I got a box within a box here too. Like that one there.
Yeah. Okay. This box. I actually have a few boxes within a box.
Yeah, I got a few other packages here too I got to open yet.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay. Well, I got something else in my box here.
Yep.
Got a 64 gig SD card here.
Yep.
One 64 gig SD card. Get this box out of the way.
Yep. And my camera here is a bundle. So it has the camcorder, a bag, and a 32 gigabyte SD card. This came from Sam's Club. Ordered it online. So.
And I ordered mine on eBay through a authorized Canon dealer.
Yep.
So I'm gonna open up the box here.
Yep. Put my camera back. Tripod.
Alright, we got the book with the warranty information and the instructions on the camera.
Yep.
Yep. Got the battery here.
Cool. Okay. Okay, I've cut into my box now. Cut into the main box.
Okay, we got a USB cable here. The HDMI cable.
Okay, got my SD card, 32 gigabytes.
Wonderful.
Oh, it's 80 megabytes per second. It said 30 online.
Well, that's even better.
I know. Look at that. That's awesome.
Is that XC or HC?
HC.
Yeah. The 64 gig I got here is an XC.
Okay.
But it should work for you fine there, my friend. Okay, here's my charger that came with the camera.
Here's my bag.
Yeah, my
And
camera bag will be here on Monday, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll do an unboxing on that on Monday.
Yep. Okay. Here's the star of the show.
And here's my camera.
Vixia HFR800. Awesome.
Here's mine right here. Yep, I got the same camera, the Vixia HFR800.
Yep.
Open up the battery here.
Yep.
Pop it on the camera. Get this box out of the way.
Let me get this open. Main box.
Now I've got a few other packages I'm going to be unboxing here once I get this going here.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't a bundle, but I did order a few accessories for my camera.
Yep. Here's our instruction manual. HFR800, that's the one on the bottom. Just move that over there by my SD card. Open
Yeah,
this up.
this battery is not, it has no charge in it at all. We have to charge it fully before we can use it.
Yeah.
And mine's not powering up at all with the battery on.
Yep. Here I have my USB cable. Put this
Wonderful.
right over here. Oh, this is an adapter for the USB to charge it from the camera. Put that right there. Here's the battery. Only one. I thought the battery was going to be bigger. It looked bigger, but this is a really small camcorder. Oh,
Yeah,
you get an
it's small.
HDMI.
I think this might be a hair bigger than my JVC.
Yeah. And
I
my
know it's a
Sony
bigger
camera
screen.
batteries
My-
were like half of the size.
My JVC's got only a 2 3/4 inch screen. This has got a 3-inch screen.
Okay.
And it's a
Got
touch
the HDMI cable here, so now I'll actually get the camera out. Careful. Okay, Canon Vixia HFR800. Put my phone down.
When you get done with all that, I'll unbox the rest of my accessories I got here.
Here she is.
Sweet looking camera.
Yep.
I'm gonna pop my card in the camera here.
Yep. I love the big touch screen here.
Yes, it is sweet. I love this double unboxing.
Oh yeah.
It's like Christmas in October.
Yes, it is. Okay. Got the battery in the camera here. So, open her up. Probably won't do anything.
Yeah, mine
Nope.
didn't. And
I love this.
they say it's gonna take about 8 hours to charge it to the camera, by the way.
Yeah. If I press the on-off switch. No, battery must be completely dead, but that's fine. Okay, new camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop my SD card in this camera here, so when it is charged, it'll be ready to go.
Yeah. I'll put my SD card in it, I might as well.
May as well have it all set to go. Okay, the next one here, this package here. Okay, this is a Kastar battery charger for the camera.
Yep.
So I could charge the camera without charge the battery without having to have it on the camera. And here's an extra battery I got for the camera as well.
Yeah, I'll have to get some extras too. Here's my SD card.
So I want to sit there wait the full 8 hours for this to charge. I can charge it on this external charger here.
Yeah. Here's my 32 gigabyte SD card right here.
So nice.
80 megabits per second.
That's a good speed.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I've got this next package here I'm going to crack open here.
Okay. No, that's what we're not supposed to probably open up a
A package within a package.
Yep.
Now let's see what's in here. It's got it's a lens cap holder.
It's my 32 gigabyte SD card.
There's a cleaning cloth and cleaning pen for the camera.
Cool. Okay. Put the SD card inside.
And what do I have inside this package here?
Lens cover.
Here's a 2.2 times professional telephoto lens.
Cool.
That'll give it extra reach when it needs it.
Yep.
And this is a 0.3x professional wide angle lens with
Cool.
macro. Here's the wide angle lens. Next I got this package here I'm going to open.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start charging that battery on my
Yeah.
cable here. I'll unbox some of the other, like, cables and stuff.
This is a Vividar sun shield for the for the lens there
Cool.
to keep sun glare off the lens.
Ooh, I should unbox my bag.
Yes, unbox your camera bag. How nice.
Yeah, I got a deal on this. It came with a 32 gigabyte SD card and this bag for the same price just the camera costed on Amazon. It's not difficult.
So here's the sun shield on the camera.
Cool. Okay, here's my bag. Canon logo. Ooh, this is a nice bag.
That is a nice looking bag.
Yeah, it is. There.
That's a sweet looking bag.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, mine's supposed to, according to the tracking number, my new bag will be here on Monday, so I have to unbox that one separately.
Yep. Cut this one here.
One last package I'm cutting into here.
Okay, let's see what's inside of this camera bag.
Okay, what I have here, since most of my videos are outside, anybody who's used a camera outside knows how difficult an LCD screen can be to see in the sun there.
Yes, it can be.
So what I have here is a cover that I can put over the screen to help me see the screen in high sun conditions there. That's
There, here's the bag.
That's the sun shield for the screen there.
Yep. This bag is nice and padded. It's good quality.
See how this fits on the screen there.
Yeah. There. That's the bag. Cool.
Very nice. Looks good.
Yeah.
You're going to be happy with that, my friend.
Yep. Okay, here's the Canon wall power adapter. I'll take it out of
There's the sunscreen on the monitor.
Yep. New camera smell.
Yes, that new camera smell. I love it.
This is a nice small camcorder. It's about an inch shorter than my Sony here.
Let's see. Holding it up to my JVC. It's about the same size as my JVC and my JVC has an extended battery on it.
Yeah.
Very nice. I love this setup.
I know. Here's another USB cable here, and then I might as well get out the HDMI cable.
Now the exciting part for me is this is a major upgrade because I'm going from 720p to 1080p.
Yep. Okay, here's the HDMI cable. I'm not gonna untangle that or whatever right now. I'm not gonna probably use it at all. So.
Now I'm gonna try one of these lenses on here, see how they look.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, I'm not retiring my JVC.
No, and also a note for my channel is this camera is not going to be retired. My Sony, I'm never saying goodbye to my Sony, ever.
Well, my JVC has been a very reliable workhorse as well, so I'm definitely not saying goodbye to that either.
Yep.
It's just going to be relished. It's just going to be relished down to secondary use.
Yep. The Canon case I got was a Canon soft case SC A80.
I'm going to put the telephoto lens on this thing and see how that looks.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm assuming that I just use this charger here and I plug it directly into the camera.
Yeah,
with the
there's
battery
a slot it should be on the, just below the wrist strap on the back, you'll find a charger port.
Oh, is this the charger right here? The
No,
USB?
below the wrist strap.
Below the wrist strap. Oh, right there. Right here.
Right, yeah, you'll find it. That's the charger port right there.
Oh yeah, because it fits the thing. I'll plug this in right now. Maybe it'll power up for me.
You're supposed to be able to run it off the charger, yes.
Yeah, and that'll be nice because I like to run cameras off chargers. Or I like to run it
And
off.
then I'm gonna try the wide angle lens.
Yep. Nice long charging cable.
I like the cases that these come in too, the lenses.
Yeah.
Two
Nice.
little drawstring leatherette type bags.
Yep.
And then they got lens caps on both sides of them, so.
I like how on this power brick here, you can move the plug in and out, so it's nice and...
That'll be good for stowing in your camera bag.
Yes, it will be.
Here's the wide angle lens on the camera.
Cool.
The wide angle lens.
Plug this in here to my power strip. Okay. So, you think I should just put the battery in the camera and then plug it in for charging?
Yeah, that's how you charge it, yeah.
Okay, battery's in. I'll shut this and then we... So now should I open it?
Yeah, give it a try, see if it powers up.
Okay. Ooh.
It powered up.
Yes, it did. I want English. I don't think I'm gonna change the date yet. Setup is complete. Here we go. Here's my Canon Vixia. Yep. I love what it does when it turns on. And here we are.
Well, you and I are going to have some fun with our new cameras when we start doing more videos. The next meetup.
Yep.
Don't know when that's going to be, but the next meetup.
Yep. I love the zoom. Zoom's really fast.
Well, now that's supposed to be a variable zoom, by the way. The harder you push it, the faster it goes.
Oh, I noticed that.
You don't push, if you push it slightly, it'll zoom slower.
Yep.
I'm getting ready to plug mine in for the first time. Here we go. Nice. English, yep. No, it's definitely not January. Day, month, year, do I want? Yeah, day, month, year work. October 2019. Today is what, the 26th? And we're looking at 1942 hours. Okay, time is set. Time and date. Setup is complete. Check for the, okay. Once you check the lens cap, okay, lens cap's open. There we go. All set up, operational, now you gotta let it charge. So anyways, this was our double unboxing.
Yep.
This is DPCom1 with
BNSF Lover.
Thanks for watching. Watch for more videos,
Yep.
especially with new upgraded equipment. Should be exciting. Should be great. Should be some good videos coming.
Yes, it will.
So thank you for watching. This is DPCom1 Productions. We're out.
Cole, that was a good boy. Yeah.
I'm YL, and I'm the DX treasurer for the YLRL, Young Ladies Radio League Incorporated. We are based in the U.S., but we
There's
have
my good boy.
international members totaling about 500. We promote with women in amateur radio and offer
This is just a test recording.
such as weekly nets on HF and DMR, which is a new digital net that we have started, and
Just a test recording here. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the audio. Let's ask Cole how he rates the Canon Vixia. Cole says thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.